Hi, this is Chandra Wood, licensed esthetician and certified makeup artist with Ageless Derma. Today I'm going to show you how to highlight and sculpt your brow. I'm going to start with a concealer. You want to choose a concealer that is 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. 2 shades is preferable for highlighting. Currently I don't have anything on my brows. I don't have foundation below or above them or have them filled in currently. This is them just nice and fresh. So I'm going to start with a little bit of the highlight with the concealer. So the concealer that I've used today to help create this look is going to be the Ageless Derma concealer in the color Wheat. You want to choose 2 shades lighter than your natural skin tone. This is a cream concealer. I'm going to use a little bit of like a cream type of brush that you can apply creams to. And what I'm going to do is accentuate my brow. Get a little bit of my concealer and I'm going to highlight right above the brow. So what I'm doing is just accentuating and going around the shape of my brow. I'm then going to take the same product and do it directly underneath the brow. What I'm going to do is use this side and just gently blend it in circular motions. So I'm going to choose a dark brown brow pencil for my application for me personally right now. Brow pencil is going to get you more definition. If you are lacking hair in an area, as if your brow kind of stops growing at some point, pencils are best because they're a wax substance. They're going to adhere to the skin better. A powder is also great. A powder is going to give you a softer look, and just depending on your comfortability of application, brow pencil is a pencil, and with a powder you're going to use an angled powder brush for the brows. So today I'm going to be using a pencil. This is the Ageless Derma pencil, brow pencil in shade dark brown. It's finely sharpened. So what I'm going to do is start at the inside and I'm going to lightly flick. Your eyebrows, generally you want them to start at the inside middle of the eye. If they don't start there and they're a little in, then you can use that powder or the pencil that I'm using and just shade up to kind of start them there. So I'm just lightly, very gently brushing them to the inside to about the middle of my eye, because that's when my arch starts. So if you're using a pencil as well, just stop at the middle. All right, then I'm going to take the the pencil, and lightly flick very, very softly, like you feel like you're barely putting pressure, and go along the natural brow shape. I'm getting to my arch, so if you don't have very much of an arch, you can kind of raise it a little higher than what your natural arch is. I'm going to raise mine a little higher. And then with where you end the brow, you want to measure out to the end of your eye up. So I need a little bit more, and that will give you the length of where to stop with the brow line. I'm going to go back in with my blend brush that I used in the beginning and lightly blend out my highlight around there. And then for the last step is going to be the contour. So for the contour of the eye, it goes actually a little bit onto the eyelid area. So what I'm going to use for that is a powder. It's going to be 2 to 3 shades darker than my natural skin tone. And I'm just going to come to the inside of my eye here on the outside corner and lightly brush the outside corner in a V shape. So I'm going to circle it around and brush it in a V shape. And you also don't want to go further in than the iris on the eye. And that is how you can get a highlighted and sculpted brow with a brow pencil. For product use and information that we used on this video, go ahead and click the link below. If you would like to see more videos like this and tutorials, please go to agelessderma.com.